Hello students, today in the present video we will study about the DNA protein interaction and nucleosome model. As you know, the nuclear DNA of eukaryotic organisms is organized in linear chromosomes made of chromatin made up of chromatin. The chromatin consists of DNA associated with a number of proteins called histones. The histones or histone proteins are the most abundant cellular proteins or basic proteins that have been very highly conserved during the organic evolution. There are five major classes of histones. In chromatin, the amount of histones is approximately equal in total weight to the DNA plus various attendant proteins. The histones differs from other proteins in having comparatively smaller size and comprised by excess amount of positively charged amino acids as contrast to negatively charged ones. The five major classes of histones: H1, H2A, H2B, H3, H4. Histones are extremely rich in positively charged amino acids like lysine and arginine that enable them to bind to the negatively charged phosphates of DNA. The electrostatic attraction between the two is the most important stabilizing force in chromatin. Stabilizing force in chromatin. The spermatozoa, however, contain protamines in place of histones, which are still smaller and compact. The histones are synthesized in steps along with the replication of DNA. The histones are synthesized in steps along with the replication of DNA before the cell division begins. Before the cell division begins. Histones play a very important role in packaging the linear long DNA molecules into compact forms so that they occupy less space inside the nucleus. They occupy less space inside the nucleus. The fundamental organizational packaging unit of eukaryotic, the fundamental organizational packing unit of eukaryotic nuclear chromatid is nucleosome. Is nucleosome. In 1973, Woodlock, Woodlock, found that chromatin appears like the bead, like chromatin appears like beads on a string, beads on a string under the electron microscope. In 1974, Kornberg, Kornberg, studied the details of these beads and the name nucleosome was coined by Oudet, Oudet, Oudet et al. In 1975. Student, go to the structure of the nucleosome. Each nucleosome unit is a bead-like disc-shaped structure. Is a bead-like disc-shaped structure of about 110 angstrom in diameter and 60 angstrom in thickness. It consists of a histone core particle wrapped by DNA. Two nucleosomes are linked together by a spacer or linker DNA. By a spacer or linker DNA. The various parts of the structure. One is the core particle, C-O-R-E, core particle. The core particle consists of an octamer of histones possessing or consisting two molecules of each of H2A, H2B, H3 and H4 histones. Out of these, H3, two molecules of H3 and two molecules of H4 occupies the central position along the central turn of DNA helix. And H2A, H2B are added as two independent dimers, one on each face of tetramer. तो tetramer कौन सा? Tetramer consisted of two molecules of each H3 and H4. Each histone molecules ईच हिस्टोन मोलिक्यूल हैज टू पार्ट्स, कौन कौन से? इट्स अनचार्ज्ड, फर्स्ट पार्ट, इट्स अनचार्ज्ड हाइड्रोफोबिक रीजन्स आर डायरेक्टेड टूवर्ड द सेंटर। कि जो हिस्टोन, जो प्रोटीन है और हिस्टोन जो मोलिक्यूल है, उसका जो हाइड्रोफोबिक रीजन है वो सेंटर की तरफ डायरेक्टेड है, टूवर्ड द सेंटर। और जो इसका पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड्स, सेकंड, जो हिस्टोन मॉलिक्यूल का जो पॉजिटिवली चार्ज एंड है, विच इज मेड अप ऑफ बेसिक अमीनो एसिड्स, आर डायरेक्टेड आउटसाइड एज टेल्स, आर डायरेक्टेड आउटसाइड, वो बाहर की तरफ डायरेक्टेड है एज टेल्स। दीज एंड्स which are made up of basic amino acids form ionic bonds with the phosphate group of DNA molecule। जो DNA मोलिक्यूल का जो फॉस्फेट ग्रुप है वो नेगेटिवली चार्ज है, उसके साथ वो आयोनिक बॉन्ड बनाता है। दैट ऑक्युपाइज 6 बेस पेयर्स ऑफ DNA, that occupies 6 base pairs of DNA. The two adjacent cross links are separated by 10 base pairs or one turn of DNA duplex। 10 base pair or one turn of DNA duplex। Next part of the structure, DNA strand. The DNA strand having 146 base pairs, 146 base pairs, which is wrapped 146, students see here, 146 base pairs of DNA is wrapped over हिस्टोन ऑक्टामर। जो हिस्टोन ऑक्टामर है उसके ऊपर एक 146 बेस पेयर का डीएनए रैप किए हुए है। दैट मेकिंग, तो ड्यूरिंग द मेकिंग के टाइम के ऊपर 1.75 टर्न ऑफ डीएनए मोलिक्यूल्स इज रैप्ड। 1.75 मतलब 2.25 टर्न of DNA molecule is wrapped around the core particle or histone octamer. Next, that is the spacer DNA or spacer DNA or linker DNA. The spacer or linker DNA is a small segment of DNA associated with one unit of H1, that is H1. You see here, associated with one unit of H1 histone, which forms string, string, string of beads, which form string of beads connecting the two beads और न्यूक्लियोसोम, दो न्यूक्लियोसोम और दो बीड को कनेक्ट करने वाला है। द लेंथ ऑफ लिंकर डीएनए is about 60 base pairs, but it may varies in various species. For example, in Aspergillus में 11 बेस पेयर्स है, इन sea urchin में 101 base pairs. It has been found that a single H1 protein can bound simultaneously to both ends of DNA molecule belonging to one nucleosome subunit. At each end, 10 base pairs are added to cover H1 protein. So, total base pair of DNA or DNA consisting of total base pair, that is 166. 10 plus 146 plus 10. So 10, that is this side, 10 this side, and 146 this side. At each end, 10 base pairs and 146 base pair of DNA is wrapped around the core particle or octamer or histone octamer. Will 166 base pairs will make two complete turns of DNA around the nucleosome. The H1 protein is not necessary for coiling of the DNA. That protein or this protein, H1 protein, is only an accessory protein and may be involved in the condensation of the chromatin and may be involved in the condensation of chromatin. Next, nucleosome packing. Assembly of DNA and histones means nucleoprotein fiber is the first stage of shortening of DNA strand. A seven-fold reduction in the length to form a beaded fiber of 11 nanometer. It is the chromatin as seen in the interface nucleus. Second level of folding is the spiral coiling of this thin chromatin fiber into 20 to 30 nanometer thick fiber. 20 to 30 nanometer thick fiber. It has a solenoid type of ultrastructure and has 6 or 7 nucleosomes per turn. In mitotic chromosome, this solenoid is further packed into another helix called the supersolenoid of 400 nanometer diameter, which is further condensed to produce which is further condensed to produce the final shape of dimensions of metaphasic or anaphasic chromosomes, which is 700 to 1400 nanometer in diameter. Student, the topic of DNA protein interaction as well as the nucleosome model is finished in this video, and the question on that may become up to 5 marks. Thanks.